Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am explaining the half adder. Half adder means which a circuit configuration which adds two binary digits at a time. Look here. The half adder adds two binary digits at a time. So the possible output inputs for a half adder is A and B are these 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. For 0 0, when 0 is added with 0, you get sum as 0. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 equals 1 0. So this column is called a carry. This column is called sum. Now consider the truth table of AND gate. In the AND gate, if A and B are the inputs, the possible cases here, then the output of the AND gate is this. This is similar to the column of carries. This column. Similarly, in the output of exclusive OR gate, when A and B are the inputs, the output of exclusive OR gate is this. Exclusive OR means AB bar plus BA bar. The output is this 0, 1, 1, 0. This is very similar to the last column of this truth table, sum. So, for getting sum, you can use exclusive OR gate, and to get carry, we can use AND gate. This is the configuration of half adder circuit. That's all about half adder circuit. Thank you.